students. Now we are going to discuss about Unit 1 electric power electric power system transmission and distribution. How the power will be generated and transmitted and distributed. Basically, in electric power system, there is a three schemes we are having. One is generation, power generation, power transmission, and power distribution. Okay, this is the major categories we are having in the electric power system. Let me see one by one. The first one is, already we all knows that in India we are having the power generating voltage is 11 kV. Okay, we are generating that voltage is 11 kV at 50 Hz. 11 kV 50 Hz. So this is a generating station. It may be thermal, it may be hydro, nuclear, whatever it is. Okay. So here we are generating the power at the level of 11 kV. So that's shown here, generating station. That is called as the power where we are generating. That is called as generating station. That is a generating station. After that, so when you are transmitting, when you are generating 11 kV, the same power when you are transmitting that 11 kV, but when it receiver receives the same 11 kV, but we cannot able to transmit that what we are generating, that voltage level. We need to some step up level, step up and step down level. Okay, that is done by during the transmission side, Okay, so again in transmission side, it will be classified into two categories. One is primary transmission, another one is secondary transmission. Are you able to understand? One is primary transmission, another one is secondary transmission. Okay, so where in primary transmission, what you are going to do, we are going to step up the voltage level into from 11 kV to 220 kV. Are you able to understand? From 11 kV to 220 kV. Okay, that is a step up level. Are you able to understand? Where it is primary transmission high voltage side. Primary transmission high voltage side. Again, this 220 voltage, 220 kV voltage, again it will be stepped down into 33 kV, and where it is called as receiving station. Okay, receiving station, and it is called as secondary transmission, and whereas here it is called as bus bar. Where the conductor which is carries high voltage, that is called as bus bar. Okay, the same conductor when passing through the transmission used to transmission, that is called as feeder. Carries high voltage when comparing, that is less than when the generating station. Okay, so this is a secondary. After secondary transmission, again this 33 kV, from the 33 kV again it will be stepped down into 6.6 kV. It is called a primary distribution. Are you able to understand that transmission and distribution? So where in transmission side we don't have any tappings, and we don't have any customer here from generating station to the secondary transmission. Whereas from that primary distribution to secondary distribution, we are having the bulk customers. That means where they required 6.6 kV, like that. Okay, where which customer required the high voltage, that is factories, industries. Okay, so they are all bulk customers, bulk load, which are using the bulk load, and it is called as primary distribution. Are you able to understand this? Okay, so now after the primary distribution, we are having the secondary distribution. Whereas the secondary distribution, what you are going to do, we are having the secondary customers. From the secondary customer, we are that is by using the distribution transformer. By using the distribution transformer, the 6.6 kV will be stepped down into 400 volt or 230 volt. So here that customer will be divided into two categories: single phase customer and three phase customer. If the customer they required only 230 voltage, they called single phase customer. If the customer requires 400 volt, that is that customers are comes under three phase customer. Okay, so it is called as secondary distributions. Are able to understand this? So feeder, after from distributors to the customer, that is called as service main. So it is the single line diagram of your electrical distribution, power system. Single line diagram of electric power system. This is very very important one.